The girls of the Big Dollhouse are busting out again. New World Pictures now brings you The Big Birdcage, an incredible new adventure of beautiful young girls in chains, slaves to every whim and desire of a cruel madman.
Oh, please, take somebody else this time.
See the terrible machine that maims tender young bodies and cripples innocent young minds. See the strange and brutal world of men who are only half men, and women who are more than all woman.
And it's Miss Nigger to you.
Captive women, their natural desires stifled to the bursting point, finally erupting in a scorching climax of violence. So hot with desire, they melt the chains that bind them. In The Big Birdcage. See The Big Birdcage.